Welcome back. JD here. Lesson 6. Arrays in Lesson 3 were great when you had a list of similar values. Today we look at maps, which store key-value pairs. Think phone book or dictionary. Let us start at the prompt. Curly braces create a map. Each entry is a key, a colon, then a value. Keys are strings, values can be any type. Square brackets with a key string read the value back out. Same syntax to write. We just had a birthday. To add a new key, assign to it. Now the map has 4 entries. A few useful built-ins. MAP.SIZE tells you how many entries. MAP.EXISTS checks whether a key is present. MAP.KEYS returns an array of all the keys. For entries. The city key exists, the phone key does not. And we get every key back as an array. To iterate over a map, walk its keys with 4 each. Three fields, 3 lines of output. The order is not guaranteed, but every key gets visited exactly once. That is Lesson 6. Maps for key-value data, arrays for sequences. Together they handle almost any shape of data you will meet. In Lesson 7 we will let the user talk back to our program with input, and we will discover the do loop. Until then, keep coding. Bye.